loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina Vergara. If I look fuzzy because you don't remember me, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I filmed a YouTube video, and I'm so glad to finally be here to share with you guys how I truly feel about magnetic lashes. This will be the first time that I ever try them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in 1 second. So I basically heard so many things about magnetic lashes, but I could never find them, and I was like, is this like a myth? Are they not really existed? Nowhere really had them, but now forget it. Every store I go in, every drugstore I go in, I see magnetic lashes. These are the magnetic lashes from Ardell, and I got the style double wispy. So I use these in the original lashes that you glue on, and I love the style, so I was like, let me just grab these. It was $12, so I'm a huge, like, I would rather buy Cocoa lashes and spend $12 on like drugstore lashes. Easy to apply, no adhesive needed, and reusable. I just realized that this is upper and under, so it's only one pair. I thought it was 2 pairs. Oops. That's like kind of disappointing a little bit for $12. But they're magnetic, so we'll see. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Telescopic. I feel like it's a crime not doing your bottom lashes. I just feel like it makes such a difference. Telescopic mascara, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the upper first. I should have read how to do this. I'm guessing you put one on top of your lash and one on the bottom. I hate lashes that are so glued into the packaging because then you like, it's so hard. The top, wow, there's literally magnets on here. I wonder if I could show you guys zoomed in. The magnets there, oh, that's so weird. This side, so let's see. Ooh, I think the style is so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me get a little closer. Actually turn my mirror this way so I can get you guys up close. I just have like this really weird pimple here, so just ignore that. They're already on. I'm just kidding. That's not. Let me see. Hold on. Ugh. Literally stressing me out. I've never been so stressed out doing a video. What I think is like they're like so like made to like grip onto your lashes that like I feel like you don't even need to put anything underneath. But I think I'm just gassing. Alright, let me take the bottom. I don't understand how this works. This is way too much work. I would rather just take glue and put them on. I felt that lashes look fuller than ever because I guess there's 2, so what? Guys, feel so secure. They feel like, I don't know. Wow, I'm so excited. This is awesome, guys. A little bit difficult, I feel like, to put on, like compared to like glue. But I guess they're just new. They're a new thing. You definitely need to put your mascara on though, for sure, before. If you struggle with the glue, this might be a better alternative for you. And like I could see how you can reuse them as long as you don't lose them like I do with all my lashes, because it's not like there's glue on them where you have to keep ripping them. You literally just, I mean, I don't really know how I'm going to take these off. I guess just rip them like any other lash. This is not working. Very crazy. As you can see, it's a little difficult to get used to. Technical difficulties. The magnetic feel of them, but they're just not connecting for some reason. Hold on. I don't really find it that much easier. For some reason this is like... My camera like overheated and I literally shut it off, and I've been trying to put these. They're not really working for me. Sometimes they're not working. They're just very difficult to put on. I don't know if it's just me. But when I thought of magnetic lashes, I figured that it would just be easier for an everyday consumer to wear them. It's going to make me late for work. I'm not even kidding. Like I feel like I need glue for the first one to like set it down, because if not it like moves. I just feel like work, because I really do like what they look like, and it like gets it gets magnetic to your tweezers. Let's see. Let's try this. I'm like getting so teary-eyed from doing this. I don't know. Honestly, this has a lot to do with it. I need to throw the tweezer out because it's not working. Oh, I was so close. Oh my goodness. There's no like moving it around like with the glue. Guys, I'm getting so frustrated. The other side was so easy. It's really stressing me out. I've never been so stressed out doing a video. Like, let's just say like when I go out, I always have the lash glue in my bag. So if I go out and like the magnetic lash is starting to come undone, like to have to sit down and like fix it I just don't know if I like. It's just so annoying to give up, but I don't know if you guys can see, but in the inner corner, oh, I don't know. I feel like I give up. I gotta go to work, and I'm not gonna sit here for hours because then, like, why would you want to do that? Like, why? Basically, I'm not feeling the magnetic lash. I think it's a lot harder than it seems, and I don't know if it's just me, if this is the first time that I'm using it. I'm not going to give you 100% yes or no, but for right now, for a first time, and I use lashes every day, so I know what I'm doing. I apply them every day with glue. So for me, I'm a makeup artist and it took me this long. If you are a beginner with lash, I would say just practice using the glue. Try Duo Black Glue. It dries a lot quicker than the white one and you will eventually get it. This is just a little difficult, and for $12, like, you can get pretty much 2 Cocoa lashes. I mean, I think it looks beautiful. I do think it looks really nice. If I really wanted to spend the time to apply them, I probably would. Maybe for like a special occasion. With that being said, if they do start coming undone, God forbid they did, like, I just don't want to have to be dealing with that. You know what I'm saying? Don't want to really say I hate them because they don't. They're super secure. Like, they feel super, like, just kidding. They're really not that secure if you pull on them. That kind of just made my review a little bit more sure. I don't know if I love them. I don't think they're... I feel like magnetic lashes were supposed to come out to help people, like, because the glue is a little hard, but I think it's harder. So with that being said, I do not really recommend them. They're fun. If you want to, like, throw away $12 and just try them out, go ahead, but I don't recommend them. Just practice using glue. Really don't struggle with normal lashes. So if this was supposed to be like an easier way, it's not. So if you were trying magnetic lashes because you thought it would be easier than putting on glue lashes, you're wrong. Do not waste your time. I had so much fun filming it. I love you guys so much and I really did miss you. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys purchased magnetic lashes and you had a different outcome, let me know down below. Let me know any tips and tricks that you guys obtain. Hope you guys enjoyed and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, my love.